Welcome to PMRI campus. In this video, let us try to understand product life cycle. According to the project management body of knowledge, the product life cycle is a series of phases that represent the evolution of a product from concept to retirement. I'll repeat again, a series of phases that represent the evolution of a product from concept to retirement. So this is represented pictorially here. Every product, it starts with a concept or an idea, then we get into the development, then it is delivered, then multiple versions. So that growth happens. When we first deliver, it could be a minimum viable product, then we add more features to it, that is the growth part of it, then it reaches the maturity level, and after some time the product gets retired. The Apple iPod is a great example. So the concept came in, it was developed, it was delivered, then multiple versions of it happened, then it matured, and then it is scrapped. It is no more there. That is a typical product life cycle. Now, another way to look at it is every product, we introduce the product, that means we come out with a minimum viable product. What is a minimum viable product? It's a set of features which delivers tangible value to the customer. So most of the time, the must-have features that will be part of the minimum viable product. So every product, version 1, it could be a minimum viable product. Then it gets into the growth phase where more and more features gets added to it. Then multiple revisions happens. Major version 1, version 2, version 3 kind of thing. Then retirement stage comes in. And everything is managed through portfolio, programs and projects. As discussed before, a portfolio is a collection of projects and programs which, when done well, helps the organization to accomplish the strategic goals. So if it is a very large product like an operating system and stuff like that, there could be multiple teams operating into it. So then it is better to manage them as a program. There could be portfolio managers. In classical product companies, even the decision to incorporate a new feature, it undergoes a financial review as well as a technical review. So in projects, what we have understood is we do this cash flow analysis, net present value calculations at the project outcome level, whereas in matured product companies, these calculations are done at a feature level itself. This is the BCG matrix. So this is another way to look at the evolution of products. Every product starts as a question mark, maybe a proof of concept, something like that happens, so that is a question mark. Then suddenly it will get a lot of early adopters and it becomes a star. Then that is a time when company gets some confidence, and so they are willing to invest more money into it. Then it will become a cash cow, and then towards the end it becomes a dog. So that is a time when we have to scrap it. So all the question marks, so there are two parameters, that is the market growth and the market share, low, high here, low, high here. Now all the products which are just a prototyping stage or proof of concept stage, they may have very high market growth. At the same time, currently the company has a very low market share. It has a great market growth potential, but the market share is very low. So those are the question marks. And what are the stars? The market growth potential is very high, and the market share also better now, it is higher, so it becomes a star. Then cash cows, the market growth potential is low, whereas the market share is pretty high. That means it brings in a lot of money, but the market growth potential is low. So those are the cash cows. Then it becomes a dog. That means market share becomes low and market growth potential also becomes low. That is the dog state. That is when the product need to be scrapped. So to be successfully in business, product companies should have, or their portfolios should have, products falling into maybe the first three quadrants. Like you should have products in question mark phase, you should have products in stars phase, you should have products in cash cow. This cash cow will fund my question marks and stars, and there will be products which is on the verge of becoming dogs. So this is another way to understand the product life cycle. So thank you very much, and if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe. On average, we'll be delivering 3 to 4 videos per week. Most of them, there is a series going on the project management body of knowledge. There is another series going on scheduling, and soon there will be another series on agile project management using Scrum. So if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, and if you see value, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.